All right, how's it going? I'm here to review a Eotech 552 from Wish.com. Bought it for 30 bucks. What sucks about Wish is that they charge you shipping twice. $10 in the cart and $10, added to the actual invoice. It sucks, but hey, what can I say? Anyways, this is what it came in. Shipping, and it literally came from China. It took about 3 months. I ordered it in July, came in like early October-ish. But anyways, first look at it, it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it comes in a pretty decent box. It reminds me of, well, this is actually a lot cheaper, but it reminds me of my Trigicon. This is the Trigicon that I bought a long time ago. I mean, obviously, this is higher quality, costs more. But, similar box. Anyway, let's open it up. Alright, so what does it come with? Obviously, the holographic sight. The same padding as the Trigicon. Just has a little window in there to indicate that there's something behind. Pretty cool, right? There's a little cloth. It doesn't say Eotech on there. But that's what you get when you buy a replica, right? Let's put this to the side and let me show you guys the instruction manual. Whatever this is, right? There you go. If you guys want to read that, you can pause it. Does not include batteries. That sucks, but I could live with that. It saves me 600 bucks, so I don't mind. Alright, so this is the actual iron sight. Sorry, why did I say iron sight? The holographic sight. Anyways, first, just by looking at it, I mean, it looks high quality. I mean, that feels metal. It doesn't feel cheap. The back piece, that's all plastic back here, and I'm pretty sure in that, center component there, that glass looks pretty clean. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Well, you guys might not be able to see. Let me turn some more light on. Give me a second here. Ah, perfect. As you guys can see, which I hope you can, there's an NV button. There's there's a down and up, and pointing at both, it says off, indicating if you press both, it'll turn off. And then there's an on button on the up arrow, which if you turn it on, well, there's no batteries. April Fools, right? All right, so anyways, let me put the batteries in to test it out. If I can, right? There you go. Interesting. There you go. I guess I had to hit it from the back first. Alright, so how do you put this in? Easy. There are the symbols. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me zoom in. Positive, negative. Oh, wait a minute. Perfect. Just had to zoom in. Yeah, so the night vision and then the off, on. Not bad. But let's plug it in and play. So positive, and then the negative sign. For those of you that don't know, there you go. All right, cool. Okay, let's use that little cloth and wipe off my greasy fingers. Quality on that's all right. Like any other cloth, right? But that's the least of it, of the high costs of manufacturing. Anyways, let's check it out. I don't see it. It doesn't turn on. I guess I got a Eotech that doesn't work. Let me take this off and double check it's in the correct position, and it's not. Had it backwards. Fool's on me. Joke's on me. Fool's on me. Alright, so let's try one more time. There you go. Take some time to get used to that. I don't really like the way that this contraption is here, where you have to align it perfectly to get in between this latch here. I don't like that, but I guess it'll do for 30 bucks. I can't complain. I'm pretty sure that's how the original one is. Anyways, I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Let's turn it on. There it is. Then it because it's a replica, the night vision actually turns green. And there it is. It doesn't look that bad. I mean, I can imagine this on my shotgun, which is what I bought it for, so it's not bad. It really isn't that bad. Wow, hopefully you guys can see it through the camera. I mean, it looks pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. And let me turn it off. Perfect. I mean, first impressions, it's a beautiful holographic sight. So, I mean, I can't complain for 30 bucks. Hey, I'd rather pay 30 bucks than 600 bucks, right? And that's where you open it up and put it on your little rail. It's pretty dope. You know, the down and right, the Eotech. Honestly, the reviews that I've seen, they compare it to the original one. They say the only difference is the night vision. It keeps its zero when you fire it on a shotgun or on any, I guess, high-powered weapon, right? Anything that has a lot of velocity, moving or rattling everything on the insides. It keeps its internals safe. You know, there's just nothing messing around with it. Oh, wait a minute, I do see a ding. Well, it's probably from the molding. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Like a little scratch there for 30 bucks. Not bad, though. Again, let me turn this on for you guys. The green, the red. Take my finger away. There you go. So for 30 bucks on Wish, I mean, just be prepared to wait. It sucks. Had to wait literally like 3 months, and I reported it lost because it never showed up. They gave me store credit, and with that store credit, I bought another one. So this is actually free. This one was free, and I didn't realize, I wasn't expecting it to come. But yeah, I mean, the next video is going to be this, an install on my shotgun and actually trying it out. So thanks for watching. See ya.